What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Last Cast TV, man. We back with another video. We're gonna be snakehead fishing today. TT over there, she done lost her first fish on the first cast. So the fish are biting. It was a big storm that just went by and we're seeing a whole bunch of action all along this area, section of the water. So we're just gonna throw it out there. Got about 30 minutes, see if we get bit. But oh, wait. Oh, I got a hit too.
Oh, he don't got it,
Oh, he came off mine too. See, we both got bit. Oh my gosh. Yo, we both just got bit.
I seen it.
Jeez, he was chasing mine the whole time.
That's crazy.
We both got bit at the same exact time. You get anything?
Last weekend I got 4 good bass out of it.
Oh, okay.
And I didn't get one bite tonight.
For real? How long you been here? Oh, okay. Yeah, we about to just see if we can get anything.
I wanted to get all the way back. The trail was back.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, good luck.
I appreciate it, man. Oh, got it. Oh. Big one, as soon as it hit the water. Bro, as soon as I got on GoPro. I think it was. Oh my gosh. Oh, got it. What is it? I don't know, he's wrapping me up. Bass. Yep. Big frog right there.
See that frog?
Yeah. Alright, y'all. Got a good one. Gonna release it. See ya. Guys, I just missed one. Guys, just lost a snake. Freak. Y'all just lost one. Came right up the pads. What was it? I think it's a snake. You see bubbles? Right? Oh, there it goes. It's gone again. That's what he did the first time. Look at the bubbles. Look at the bubbles. Probably a snake. I think it is.